In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make an application that contains the knob element. According to the value in the knob object, the appropriate image will be displayed on the screen. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I will create a knob element. I am creating a variable. The first parameter sent to the knob function represents the initial value. The knob element displays values between 0 and 1 unless stated otherwise. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I added the knob element to the web page. I will change the default value. I set the value to 0.7. I am saving the code file. Pay attention to the initial value of the object. We can see the value of the knob element. To do this, I set the show value to true. I am saving the code file. The value of the knob object is displayed on the screen. We can specify the minute and max values of the object. I set the values 0 and 100. I am saving the code file. The knob element will have a value between 0 and 100. I will change the default value. I set it to 5. I am saving the code file. We can change the color of the knob element. I set the color value to red. I am saving the code file. I set the color of the knob element to red. I want a function to be called every time the knob element changes. I can do this using the onChange feature. I define a function and send the value of the knob element to the function. For now, I define the function with pass. I will create a label element. I save the text property of the label element as turtle. I am saving the code file. I added the label element to the web page. I update the text property of the label element using the setText function. I am saving the code file. The value of the knob element is shown in the label object. My goal is to ensure that the appropriate image is displayed in the image object according to the value of the knob element. To do this, I will create an image object. I adjust the size of the image. I will use these images in the application. You can download the images from the GitHub link in the description of the video. If the e-value is between 0 and 25, I will display the football image in the image object. I can do this using the setSource function. I am saving the code file. As soon as the value of the knob object is between 0 and 25, the football image is displayed. If the value of the knob object is between 25 and 50, I will show the basketball image. I am saving the code file. Depending on the value of the knob object, the appropriate image is displayed on the screen. If the value of the knob object is between 50 and 75, I will show the tennis image. I define another if query. If the value of the knob object is greater than 75, I will show the hockey image. I am saving the code file. Depending on the value of the knob object, the appropriate image is displayed on the screen. In this video, we learned how to use the knob object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.